I'm Josh Weichert. I'm the author of the Beer Simple blog, and we're here with the craft beer and brewing tip of the week. Another issue we run into often is the presence of hot alcohols. And all alcohols are going to be warming to some extent, but if especially in a lower alcohol beer, you're tasting significant warming, or even in a higher alcohol beer, if it tastes solventy or like bad, cheap liquor, then you want to avoid that. And the easiest way to avoid hot alcohols is to, first of all, make sure you're pitching enough healthy yeast, and secondly, make sure they're not fermenting too hot. Try to keep their fermentation temperature down, and this doesn't have to mean keeping them in a temperature-controlled fridge, although that's great. You can also do this with more organic means by just finding a cool spot in a basement, find the coolest room in your house, an interior room, and maybe in a closet. You can sometimes keep temperatures down there. And what you want to avoid is runaway increases in temperature. And if you can do that, then you're probably fine. Click the link below to learn more.